Okay, so let's have a look at the 8 adjustment for Leahy 2023 higher level sole trader account. So it says the figure for the bank account and the trial balance has been taken from the firm's own records. However, a bank statement ended the 31st of the 12th, 2022 has arrived showing a bank overdraft of 50,300. A comparison of the bank account and the bank statement has revealed the following discrepancies. So your first discrepancy, credit transfer 1,500 has been received on the 31st of 12th, 2022 in respect of a debt of 1,700 previously written off as bad. Debtor has agreed to pay the remainder within 2 months. No entry made in the books to record this transaction. So what we need to do here, the credit transfer is the figure for our bank. So you need to increase your bank by the credit transfer of 1,500. In respect of a debt of 1,700 previously written off. So this debt we'd written off in the previous accounts. So this is your bad debt recovered. So you're going to create a bad debt recovered. That's going to go into your operating income of 1,700. And then the debt has agreed to be prepaid in the next 2 months. So your debtors are going to go up by the difference between the two. So in this question here, so your bad debt recovered is 1,700. Your bank is going to be 1,500. Increase or decrease your bank overdraft by 1,500. And the debtor then you're going to increase by 200. So your bad debt recovered, that's what you're creating. So that's going to be added onto your operating income. That's your figure, 1,700. Your bank then, so you need to find out what is our bank account figure in the question. The majority of times for her is an asset or is a liability. Sometimes it can be an asset. So our bank, it's on the credit side, so it's a liability, so it's a bank overdraft. So it's going to be 53,600. The money received in the bank is 1,500. So that money is going into our bank, so it's going to reduce our bank overdraft. So we're going to take it away. And we're going to get 52,100. That's the figure that goes into your balance sheet as a current liability. And then the last one then is your debtor. So same again, you have to go find our debtor's figure. So our debtor's figure is 67,700. We have a debt of 200. That's going to be repaid in the next 2 months. So we're going to add that on. So 67,900. And because that's a bank overdraft, that's going to go into my balance sheet as a current liability as well. So that's your 8 adjustment for Leahy. Looking at your credit transfer. The next one says a check for 1,800 issued to a director has not yet been presented for payment. So if it hasn't been presented, then no money has come in or gone out of our bank account. So that's the 8 adjustment for your bank for Leahy 2023 sole trader higher level paper. So credit transfer, you're going to increase your bank 1,700, create a bad debt recovered, or bank 1,500, create a bad debt recovered of 1,700, and then the difference between the two is how much you're going to increase your debtors by.